Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed colleagues, and respected guests, today I had the privilege of discussing a subject that touches each of our lives in profound ways: financial investment. Financial investment is often viewed as a complex and daunting realm reserved for experts. However, it is essential to recognize that it is not merely about allocating money, it is about empowering ourselves to secure a stable future and achieve our personal goals. By democratizing investment knowledge, we can all embrace this opportunity to cultivate wealth, whether for retirement, education, or fulfilling those dreams we often put on hold. Yeah. As we venture into the world of investment, let us simplify some key concepts. At its core, investment is the act of putting your money to work for you rather than letting it sit idly. This can range from traditional options like stocks, bonds, or real estate to newer avenues such as mutual funds and exchange traded funds, ETFs. The vital principle to grasp here is that time, coupled with the power of compounding, can significantly increase your financial growth. Starting early is advantageous. It has allowed us to harness the exponential potential of our investments, making compound interest our timeless ally. Additionally, we must approach investing with empathy, understanding our personal risk and goals. Investment is not a one-size-fits-all journey. Each of us has unique circumstances, aspirations, and tolerance for risk. It is crucial to develop a strategy that aligns with our individual financial picture. Seek guidance when necessary and utilize resources such as financial advisors or educational platforms to help you make informed decisions. Remember, it's perfectly acceptable to ask questions and challenge the status quo. Cultivating a culture of curiosity can lead to more resilient investment choices and ultimately personal growth. In conclusion, I encourage each of you to view financial investment as not just a path to wealth, but as a vital tool for personal empowerment and security. By simplifying complex concepts, embracing empathy for our unique situations, and committing to informed decision making, we can create a brighter financial future for ourselves and those we care about. Let us embark on this rewarding journey together, armed with knowledge, confidence, and a shared vision for success. Thank you. And have a good day, you guys. Hope you enjoyed.